they told us that happened here was not correct. They said you built on top of building channels. No, we have seen not anyone. No. We saw IK Bathroom Plaza. There's no drainage tunnel near it. At all. It's at the center of this place. So what should somebody do and bring some building down? Magnificent edifices. So who about that? We are sure like our brother said, I'm alone. Don't be intimidated. Do your business and stand firm. So long as you are by the side of the law, nobody can do you anything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for being there, man. And thank you for staying calm. They've done, seen everything, and they mentioned it. And then follow the religion. I want a different thing here, family here. God, look at the believers, you know, man. Who will I look at? Who will I go to where they don't see, man? But they don't go mad with men there in Nigeria. Like, get the end of Nigeria. I will go and I could give them money. I will not spend even money. So I have no money. If I have no money, you want to put it down. I will not get enough with my money. I can't do it. I don't do it. I'm free. I will not money. I can't get to this. I'm going to get them at the fire. I don't know. Who doesn't do the guitar? Africa and Nigeria. The money is a good way. People have about guitar. If I put a reference and I never what do you mean? They are rules. I don't say I give you nobody. I do the other. So I could even one out. So the guy that can do this deliver. Five Jago, who never that. What do you have? Good news for one neck. Yes, sir. One time so. I thought I'm making it. Kadula abandoned in Nigeria. Let's see what Nigeria from up. All of you are not abiding. Hardworking people trying to do your business. We cannot be talking about foreign investors. When local investors, the president of us $1 million money. We can only bring foreign investors if local investor is protected. One of the houses they destroy ever. The man's butler, who did not jump, he found the investor in his office when he was being destroyed. Do you think if they come back, they'll come again? They won't come back. So everyone foreign investor who protect the local investor, make the business thrive. Yes. What government is supposed to be doing here is coming to support you people. For the market to boom. Not to destroy anything. So thank God these investors who are taking it down. All we are doing is let there be peace. Let there be reconciliation. It's impossible. Let all the states of Nigeria and everywhere understand. It's really time to protect businesses. It's time to support businesses. So I thank all of you. What you are doing, we're coming out here and show you that we must continue until we have a Nigeria that is.
Hello viewers, welcome to Igbo Area TV. Before you start to blame our people in Alaba and Trade Fair because of what happened, you've seen that video and let me further talk about it. It's really a painful story. The demolition of shops at Lagos Trade Fair. Not just shops. These are plazas owned by our people. What I see is sheer wickedness. And this story has brought anger, sadness, and also many questions. Why would government destroy the sweat of hardworking people in this kind of economic hardship? Just like Peter Obi asked. And why is it that most of the victims are Igbo? Let us look at it together. So, the Lagos government said the shops were built on waterways, maybe canal drainage system, that some were on top of drainage channels. But the traders and the leaders disagree. They said they had proper approval. They followed the law and they paid all the required fees. You saw Senator Umeh and Peter Obi and some Igbo leaders were there to confirm, they visited the place. They said Igbos should not be intimidated once they are law-abiding. The truth is, if truly there were issues with documents, the government should have asked them to correct it. So why destroy everything overnight? We see wickedness from the southwest. So, based on what you've heard, it is not a document problem. No. It is not a document problem. They have their documents. And it is not that they built on the drainage system. Peter Obi and Victor Umeh and the rest have inspected against what the Lagos government told them, that these guys, this is why we are demolishing it. But it is so clear that was not the reason. The reason is Ofuobi, Ntashiobi, Iwe, jealousy. So, Peter Obi thanked the Igbo leaders for being law-abiding. He said that they did the right thing, they got approval, yet their complex were still demolished. He was pained, very pained. Despite the serious hardship in Nigeria, according to Obi, people are suffering, hunger is everywhere, businesses are collapsing. Yet, instead of helping the people, the government added more pain. And I like what he did. Igbo leaders are beginning to speak up. He condemned the action strongly. And this is not just about Igbo shops, it's about justice, fairness, and protecting investment. At the time of demolition, one of the buildings demolished was occupied by a white foreign investor. I think they are software people. They were there. They watched, they saw what was happening. They saw how the government treated local investors. Imagine the shame in a country where we want foreign investors to come in and invest. The world is watching how we are destroying our own people's sweat. Let me tell you, what holds every economy is not just the big business, but the retail part of it. They are working together. It's a synergy between the retail and even the final consumers. So, if local investors are not safe, no foreign investor will trust Nigeria. People are seeing what is happening. You cannot invite foreigners to invest when your own citizens are crying that their businesses are not protected. Maka ndị na-achị replace ndị Igbo, akwa as far as na ndị China ka a chọrọ iji replace. Unu che na unu ma ife. Ọ ya ebe unu n'ahụ. Many people are asking, why is it that the most of the victims are always Igbos? Year after year, we see how Igbo businesses in Lagos are targeted. Demolition here, intimidation there, frustration everywhere. Yet, Igbos are the backbone of commerce in Lagos, and you know it. It is sad that instead of protecting these businesses, if it's a place where things work, these businesses are given some kind of protection because they pay huge tax to the state. But when the wicked is in power, instead of what they should get, the support they should get, their businesses are being destroyed. And this is why Igbos continue to feel unwanted in Nigeria. After having invested our blood and sweat, this is what we get. And here's the real danger. We're talking about the future. If traders lost trust in government, if investors lose hope, then Nigerian economy will remain stagnant. You think you are doing Igbo man? No business can grow in fear. No investor will bring money where there is no protection. The demolition is not just about buildings. It's about destroying trust. Trust is being destroyed. It's about destroying people's confidence. And once trust is broken, it is very difficult to repair. So viewers, what do you think? Is this truly about waterways, or is it about intimidation and wickedness? Should government not protect the sweat of its citizens? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Igbo Area TV, where we give you the truth in simple language. Together, our voices can bring change. This is Igbo Area TV. We will continue to stand with the people. We continue to speak for the voiceless and tell the truth no matter how bitter. Stay safe, stay strong. See you next time.